Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 11th of September 2019. This is just my weekly video where I go over what I've done and what trades are open on all the pairs I'm trading on the daily charts, the daily Forex charts. So, quick look. As you know, I've got our JAGfx Facebook group. Yeah, more than welcome to join that. In this group, if you go to the file section on the left here, it'll take you to this. We're going to tidy this up a little bit, just haven't got around to it yet. But here you'll find like things like my JAGfx trade results, back testing, trade screenshots, all sorts of resources, the Telegram links, scripts, indicators, custom indicators, just bits and stuff, FAQs, so it's all in there. Now let's go and have a look at the spreadsheet. So this is the main spreadsheet I'm looking at the moment, H&P and M&M combined. So this is the trades I'm calling at the moment. What are we up to? We've got a few trades going. Alright, we're up to about 213 open trades, or open and closed trades. So if you see this red, it means the trade's been a loss. Yellow like this means it's still open, partial open. The red in the MA means it's normally a high risk against a trend type trade, and the blue is obviously winners. That's what we're doing at the moment. You can, the type of trade, high probability or mod MACD, what actual trade number it is, just pretty obvious. And I just combine all the results to this other sheet here, HP and high probability and mod MACD results combined. So each pair is labelled as 30 pairs I'm trading, how many pips I've got on each so far, and how much profit, all based on a base lot of 0.02. So if I had 100 pips profit on a partial trade of 0.01, 100 pips, I would halve that, and that'd be that'd be 50 pips based on a 0.02. Here's the pips total to date, which is really not that relevant, but the profit loss to date. So that's not too bad. Now let's go and have a look at the charts. Now, as you know, I've set up a profile. This is all my trading. Generally, if it's an extended tab, it means that there's an open trade on it. So I've got open trades on every pair except one. So it's just a matter of zipping through these pairs. And I start drawing lines every day I see something. So today, for example, I may have drawn this potential hidden bearish divergence lines on this pair here. So you'll see that. So any red lines generally mean bearish, any green lines are bullish, and if you see aqua lines, like an aqua trend line, is normally just like double top, double bottom, or a support level or something like that. My trades, we'll start with this one. This is the pound yen. You can pause this video anytime if I'm talking too quick, because I've got 30 pairs to go through, so I'll rip through it pretty quick. I've got a HP sell here and a mod MACD buy. It's a pound pair, hence I'm not going too well. I'm getting a bit smashed on it at the moment. And when you see, I've got HP sell, M&M buy. Not sure why I've got I've taken a hedge buy also at the same time. That's why I'm thinking, why I've got an overall break-even level. I've taken a HP sell, hedge buy, which is on the same line as the mod MACD buy. Remember, the buys are the intersection of the blue lines, sells the intersection of the red lines. So overall break even is this level up here, and that's done by using a sheet like this, the multi-trade spreadsheet. This is for the New Zealand Japanese yen. You can see I just put the trades in, buy, the 3 buys there. It gives you a break even level. That sheet, trade sheet, is available in the resource section of that files folder in the Facebook group. Or if you need it, just email me. Right, so that's the pound yen, looking all right at the moment. USD Canadian dollar in a HP sell back here, closed out half already. Set a stop in place at that red dotted line's a stop, and we've got a mod MACD sell in this area here. So doing all right. Got 2 sell trades on. One is being protected, the other one. And what I'll be looking for here is a blue dot forming on the MACD platinum below the 0 level. Then I may tighten up that stop, and I may then look at also removing half of the mod MACD trade. AUD CAD in a sell back here, HP sell, and it's got a stop in place, that red dotted line, which is in that sort of resistance level, that blue trend. You can see the blue trend lines there, the straight lines, support and resistance. It's fairly sideways. Since when's that? It's since last about a month ago. So it's been going sideways, the AUD CAD. What have I taken? I've taken a sell in here, hedge buy by looks, yep, and a mod MACD buy, and I've still got that partial sell on there. So my overall break even's about where price is at the moment. You can see the notes there, looking all right. Euro New Zealand, high probability sell, mod MACD sell, making plenty of pips on this pair, has big moves. So that I've closed half on the HP, and I've put a stop in place at that red dotted line, and it's still heading down nicely on the MACD Platinum, so hands off at the moment on it. Looks good though. CAD Swiss, this is going all right, possibly setting up for Divergence. Took a buy, HP buy, MMM buy. I've already closed. Yeah, that was that second buy. This is where I would have taken a, say what have I taken here? So there's a buy in there. So I'm assuming there's a dot under there. Yep. So what I probably did is I took that buy on this green dot here initially, then took a hedge sell, then took a second buy, then I was managed to close that, and close 0.4 of that second buy, and that's still open at the moment with a stop in place down here. And in the meantime, I've got a mod MACD buy there, which is that line there. So this is going up nicely. Looks like we're starting to lose a bit of steam now, which is expected. And I will then start to look to close out another 0.01 and move the stop to break even or something like that. And also look at maybe taking a bit of profit on the mod MACD. So that's the CAD Swiss. New Zealand CAD, if I get to it. It's a bit ugly. Overall break evens down here. You can read my trades. So yeah, overall break evens down low. All the trades got a sell. HP sell, which is still in partial play. Got a mod MACD sell, which is still in partial play. See this is the mod MACD sell here, and it's still stayed below the zero level. I've taken a buy, taken a HP buy, HP hedge sell, followed by a second buy, and that's the overall break-even level for those three trades in there. It's getting close, but not close enough for my liking, and we've gone through the zero level. But overall, we're still in break-even because of these previous other trades here. So it's looking all right. Aussie yen, again doing well, like the Oz. What do we look at for the Oz CAD? Buy trade back here, mod MACD trade in here, making some good pips on this. Stop in place for the HP already. Start to draw my trend lines for possible bearish divergence to reverse it. Euro CAD, again looking good. HP sell back here, still in that. There's the stop locking in some profit on the remaining half. Mod MACD, this is what I did this morning, closed, moved the stop down on the HP sell and took half off the table on the mod MACD. I had a blue dot on the MACD Platinum below the zero level, and there's good profit in there, so I took some. Looking all right. What have we got here? New Zealand USD, still on a sell back here. HP sell. Then I took a, what did I take? H buy. Yeah, I initially took a buy in here, and I took a second buy down there on a, I think I took it on a, not sure, but I took a second buy. Yeah, I would have taken a buy, a sell hedge, and a second buy, and I've already closed that buy and that sell hedge and taken some profit on that second buy. As you can see, I've closed 0.04, and there's a stop in place down here, and there's been a mod MACD buy here. That's overall break-even level down below, well below price at the moment. There's my stop there. So looking all right in New Zealand USD, AUD CHF. again, 2 trades on, looking good. Overall break-even's way down here. Looking for a possible rollover. I'll start taking some profit. But nah, looking good. Euro Swiss looking all right also by looks. HP buy back here. What I got? Hedge sell. Second buy. Hedge sell. Third buy. So I've got a fair bit going on. Overall break, and I've got a mod MACD buy. Overall break even is 109.479, just above the HP break even. So that's, those yellow lines are very tight. Price is above it now, so just see how it goes. We could look at starting to take some profit here or getting out of these. There's a lot of HP trades. I'd rather not be in that many. Swiss Japanese yen. It's the pair that hasn't got the mod MACD on there. Nothing happening at the moment. It's just going up and down. Just waiting for something to happen on it. Euro yen looking pretty good also. A lot happening here. You can read it. You can just pause the video and read it. A lot of trades happening. And looks like we're heading up to both the overall break-even levels. So we made a few pips on it. Not a great deal. We've got stops in place. You can read it. We've got a sell back here. That's that stop. Then I started taking a HP sequence. So buy, hedge sell, second buy. I think I took another buy in there on a trend line break. That would have been that one there. Hedge sell, another buy, heading towards the overall break-even. It's getting messy, so again, I look like I'm closing some of those trades down also if the opportunity presents. All right, we've got here next USD, Japanese yen. Going well, 2 buys on, overall break-in, that yellow dashed line. You can see the notes all pretty straightforward. Again, red trend lines drawn in possible anticipation of a bearish, and that's hidden bearish divergence, which is basically looking at this to roll over and continuous downtrend. May not, may do it, I don't know. Euro USD, my least favourite pair sometimes. Dog of a thing to pair, I've got plenty going on. Overall break evens up here. You can just see you can read the levels there. Yeah, look, I'm not real happy with it, but I'll see how we go. We might get some pips out of keep on just getting some pips out of the mod MACD moves or something like that. I'll expect this pair to get back in the groove eventually and we'll get some good pips from it, but at the moment it's just a bit of a dog's breakfast. Aussie New Zealand, we've got a couple of buy trades on way back down here somewhere. MACD is definitely rolling over. Price is still heading up. You can see the divergence there. I've tightened up my stop on the HP buy pretty tight. Closed half a mod MACD trade. You can see that the MACDs are both rolling over. Price has sort of stalled a bit, but popping up again the last couple of days. But looking good there. Euro pound, took a sell, another sell, got to stop. It's getting pretty monotonous, isn't it? So looking all right there. It's at a sort of support level at the moment. If it breaks through here, it could go for some further downside, but it is a pound pair, so Brexit has a fair say in that. Euro Aussie looking all right. Sell, HP sell, mod MACD sell, plenty of pips. Again, setting up for possible hidden bullish divergence here. Prices at around the 240 LMA at the moment, so we just got to keep an eye on that. Might look at closing out half the mod MACD trade tomorrow, depending on what happens here. If we get a blue dot on this, I will, and I'll tighten up that stop on HP trade, but looking good at the moment. Aussie, not exactly setting the world on fire. We're in a buy, went against me for a fair way. It didn't break this sort of low here, which is good for those people that would have had stops, because your stop would have been down below the low, just to give trades a bit of room to move, and it's popped back up through there eventually. It looks like it's rolling over a bit at the moment. So mod MACD buy there also. Now pound CAD, bit of a going nowhere at the moment. We took a HP sell and a mod MACD buy. So currently hedged, locked in a loss there between the two trades, just waiting for some direction one way or the other. But at the moment, not setting the world on fire, as a lot of pound pairs aren't. CAD yen, similar to a lot of other setups we've got at the moment, start to pop up nicely. Possible bearish divergence setting up again. I took a, what did I do here? HP buy there, then a hedge sell there, second buy in here. So well and truly popped through that HP overall break even, and also through the overall break even, because I've got a Mod MACD trade on there also. So it's looking pretty good. Pound Swiss, or not. Here we go. Overall breaking even up here. Got a buy in here, and a HP sell followed by a hedge buy. So there's your Mod MACD, the first one, HP sell based on this, and it went against me, so I took a HP hedge buy. So overall we're long plus 0.02, which gives me a overall break even up there. So that's all right. New Zealand Swiss franc, similar to a lot of other pairs. Buy, I've got a sell back here, still got a stop in place. And we've got a buy, HP buy, it's gone up, and we've taken a Mod MACD buy. And there's the overall break even, we're plus 0.03 lots up in play. So there's your overall break even above that, which is the important thing. USD Swiss franc pairs give me a bit of grief, like it's mate the euro. I'm going to sell, HP sell, and that's it, and I'm losing. Hasn't given me a reversal, so I haven't hedged it yet, and it hasn't given me a new Mod MACD signal. Pound New Zealand, what am I in here? I took a sell, HP sell, hedge buy, and a second sell, and that's all I'm in, the 3 trades on that, 3 HPs, and that's the overall break in for those 3 trades. You can see that just down, really needs just to roll over and pop through there. Might do, might not. Pound, I'm in a few trades here. Pound USD, HP buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge. Now, I did take a buy in here, and I closed that for whatever reason, just to try and get a few pips. Leaving these other trades looking maybe to reverse, and I took a third HP sell, that's that one, and I've now taken a third hedge buy. So there's a hedge buy there. So I've basically pivoted. I start off with a buy on those HPs. Now I'm going to sell mode and try and get it that way. And I've also got a Mod MACD buy down here. Overall break evens a long way. No, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 141. 595. So it's out of off the top of the chart somewhere here. So that's all right. Now, what else we got? New Zealand Japanese yen, like a lot of ones, 2 buy there, and I took another buy on a break of a trend line, I think, yeah, taking a trend line break, and I took another buy Mod MACD. So making plenty of pips on this. You can see the HP overall break even and the overall break even, both those yellow lines there. So prices above it. I may look at shutting down some of these HP trades in the next day or two, depending on where we go here. If we had another nice big candle up, it'd give me some confidence, but it's starting to just die a bit. And gold, sell, overall break even in there. It's already closed half. Yeah, looking all right. Making a few pips here. You can see gold has gone up nicely. It's sort of pulled back a bit. So it's always a high risk trade, but it's going all right. So look at silver, last one. We have a buy back here, which is the Mod MACD buy. I've already closed half of that somewhere in here. Yep, there it is. And took a HP sell, HP hedge buy, followed by a second sell, and we've got an overall break even is the high one, and HP break even. I might look at the MACD platinum's getting close to 0 level, so I might do something about this. HP trades, we're under the break even level at the moment, so I want to get some pips here if I can. So here we go. Look to probably go back to the upside. So that's it, guys. Like I said, every trade I call in the Facebook group, the Telegram group, all gets converted to these spreadsheets here. You can see them. I call call them live at the time or close to it. Like I put on the trades first, write them in my little notebook at the side of my laptop here. Then I pretty well give you an update first thing in the morning on the Facebook group, and then I will update the spreadsheets and prepare screenshots, etc. Double check everything, have my breakfast, meditate, do all that sort of stuff. Then I'll come back with the second part of the update, which is a bit more detailed, just going over a bit more things, and everything's done by then. And this is the spreadsheet everything goes to. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing if you have. If not, if you do like the video, just give it a hit up with a like or something. Thanks for being a member of the Facebook group, Telegram group, etc. Always appreciate it, and always happy to answer any questions anyone may have. Have a good day all. Cheers.